Shell Show at the Steel Horse Saloon in Key West, Florida. Seeing a kick-ass band, having some dinner. And the funny thing is, I think we actually saw these guys when we were traveling in Nashville.
We don't know their name.
I have no idea what their name is.
But the lead guy looks the same, and they're from Nashville. And you can never hear this song enough.
No.
Whether you're at the Peppermill, or in Key West, or in Nashville.
Chicken. I'm afraid he's going to come over here with the mic, and I don't know the words to the song.
You should by now.
I know.